What up? What go on beat makers? Esoteric TV back with another one, you see me? And today, we are make a we are remake Big Breeze, you see me? That we are gonna do today, you see it? So we could just get right into it, you see me? Alright, so Big Breeze, what we notice about the rhythm is a simple rhythm, simple slow rhythm. You see it. So first thing me do, we find out the key and the BPM, and you can just go up on Google and type in a key and BPM finder, and it'll go find it for you, isn't it? Yeah. So boom, I find the key. The key was what I find was G minor and 101 BPM. So I started this so. Alright, so first thing we know about the beat, when the beat start, it start with a guitar melody, isn't it? So you don't have a lot, the beat don't have a lot of instruments, isn't it? So what I notice a guitar, I notice a mallet type thing. If you part with the chorus, and I notice some background vocals. And I notice a kick, snare, rim, a reese bass, and a 808. And I don't notice no more instrument in a beat, isn't it? So that's why I'm telling you more while when I have to kill up myself, we are trying to make no epic beat, isn't it? Because sometimes I just the simplest beat them, you get the biggest hit them from, isn't it? Alright. So I could start with the guitar melody. I want me to notice it sound like tum 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 tum. Just tum 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 tum. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Tum 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 tum. Tum 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 tum. Yeah, and that are basically it for the melody, isn't it? Oh, the type of instrument them we use. This is a nylon guitar. This is me I get it from Xpan. But you can find like something similar to it, like one acoustic guitar from Morphine. Morphine have acoustic guitar. This is a mallet. You can get anything like a bell or a mallet sounding thing. You see me? Vox, me I use arcade. You see it? Alright. Tum tum tum. And then now for the chorus part now, we get something like, let's see. Dum, da-dum, dum. Yeah, yes me. Yeah, you see it. Alright. Then we hear one background vocal. It's not gonna be the same as what we hear in that is me because I don't know which vocal sample them use, but we can get something more sound, somewhat similar. Let's see how the one is sound.
No stop. No.
Alright, that not sound bad. That not sound bad. We are going to put in the bass now because for the most part we have a Reese bass. You see me? And this a Reese bass is a custom Reese bass I'm gonna make from GMS. You see me? Me make a tutorial showing how to make on own Reese bass one at a time. You see it? But for right now, we are use it to drop another beat. You see me? So we notice say the bass it's slow and the note them lengthy, you see me? And the note them not change all that much. So we are start off with the bass note what we have. We are go G,
What you
turn on that something a little bit.
what you
And then with that part that before it change, we hear something like so we are go up and then we are go back at G, but we are they carry it down 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
what you what you
Alright, I'm quiet that something. Alright? Yeah, you see me? So them the bass that we are work with. And then the drums now, the drums them not for the drums them simple. The drums they not even have hi-hat or not even a lot of perks, you see me? Alright, the drums them got something like this, you see me? Yeah, and that I for drums. Yeah, and then in the second verse, in did have a 808 tonight, and it goes something like boom, 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 boom. So we are just deal with that, you know, you see me? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, remember I made telling about make sure say you click this, you see me? And this. Cause if you did a listen in a headphone, you would hear how much rumbling are going cause the 808 them are overlap. Me just add in my little touches, me. Alright, yeah man, and that I it, you see me? That's how you make big breeze, you see it? Or just mix a little bit and then call it a day. Alright, so we'll add some origin. We'll add origin to this to make it sound a little bit make it sound kinda old, you see me? You see? And then now we're gonna add a convolver. We add whole heap of reverb to this because we want to be in our background, you see me? And we take down some of the dry, put out some of the lows, about 3 bills, turn up the decay about 3 seconds, turn up the delay about 36. Yeah. That's how we remake Big Breeze, you see it? Or should I say that's how Big Breeze was made? You know what I mean? Alright, so me soon in our next one, you see it?